Up for sale today is this 1984 Bobcat 743. This one's gonna need some love. The engine inside of it has a bad head, but included in the sale is a running Kobata engine. I also uploaded a video of us cranking the motor over on the pallet, the one that is included with this sale, which is right over here. This piece right here will need to be changed over from the one that is currently inside of it to get it to work properly, but other than that it can be swapped right in. As you can see, the cab is not the most beautiful out there, but it is starting at a good price. Happy bidding.